Once upon a time, there was a Sharkman, and there was Shiba, and then next, there was a monkey. Oh, where's Shiba though? Is he gone? Shiba's what? Shiba. Hiyo. Hiya. Shiba. Boom. Boom. Ooh. I won! You didn't win yet, but should we do something else? Hey! I won! Hey! Should we play something else? Oh. Hello guys. Hello guys. We will build you everybody wants the world. We will build you a song. Shiba, are you dead? Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. Shiba. We will build you a song. We did something.
Let's not play with Shiba.
Okay.
Hey, Rihanna! Rihanna!
We are back.
Not with that, Rihanna.
We are back. No, Rihanna, you can't.
You're gonna break that.
You have to play for stuffy, Rihanna, not your type of
break. It's a glass. When you drop it, there's gonna break.
I'm not gonna
drop it.
Hey, no, no, you don't hold it like that. You're gonna drop it. Oh my God. Rihanna, okay, Rihanna, you can't do this anymore.
Okay.
There's a Minnie Mouse pie over there. Back. The free team. Our adventure is to run and find Shiba. Let's go. Our mission is to find Shiba. Try to find.
I like this thing. I like this thing. The one that you did.
But we have
For
to
this one,
find Shiba.
And then it bites you.
We found Shiba. He's over there.
Hey, he's gonna break.
Get Shiba. Shiba. We got Shiba.
Yes.
Yeah, we got Shiba.
Yeah, I'm Shiba.
Shiba.
Hop away. Hop away.
Mm-hmm.